Hello learners, welcome to NEBOSH IGC tutorial, presented by 3S Life Safe Academy, under the element 1 of why we should manage workplace health and safety. We will look, what are the barriers to good standards of health and safety in an organization? To establish good standards of health and safety in an organization, there are many barriers come in place. These barriers are as under. To recall easily, just remember 3CB. 1. Complexity. 2. Conflicting demands. 3. Competing. And 4. Behavioral issues. We see each now, one by one. 1. Complexity. Dealing with large number of employees, contractors, suppliers, subcontractors, shared premises, safety officers, competent persons. People and public places become quite complex, as large number of operations at a time or multiple operation, to be done in the safe manners without affecting anyone. It involves the coordination with many people and requires extensive background and awareness of possible consequences of the various activities to be performed in complexity. 2. Competing. Competition between similar organization and industry lead to low cost or false data, etc. during the tendering processing. Such situation affect the health and safety procedures by means of negligence and ignorance in an organization and obstacles in establishing standards of health and safety. 3. Conflicting demands. There is great demand for business and obvious pressure on fulfilling in time and maintaining the quality and delightful services can cause conflicts. A common conflict can be because of delay, poor quality and bad services, and this become a barrier in establishing standards of health and safety in an organization. 4. Behavioral issues. Good health and safety practices reflect the behavior of team and individuals. However, sometimes people does not behave correctly and do not follows the safety rules due to excess work pressure, production targets, improper line of commands, attitudes, etc., which becomes barriers in good health and safety standards for an organization. Thanks for watching this video on barriers to good standards of health and safety in an organization. This video shall help you to prepare for NEBOSH IGC qualification. If you found this useful, please like, subscribe, and share. We shall release next video number 3, NEBOSH IGC tutorial, on the topics of important and basic definition of occupational health and safety. Thanks a lot for watching YouTube channel 3S Life Safe Academy of NEBOSH tutorial. See you soon.